Hi everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club. It's Mixed Media Monday and you can watch me creating a layout with a mixed media background and some stamped flowers which I make using the May 2023 Wildflowers Layered Clear Stamp. First I stamp the flowers on white cardstock using black ink. Then I color the flowers. I apply ink on an acrylic block and use a paintbrush to color the leaves and blossoms. I start with a lighter shade of color for the first layer and then add a second layer with a darker shade of each color. Then I use a black fine liner to draw some lines and circles in the center of each blossom. I want them to look like the blossoms on the HipKit Club exclusive Wildflower Stroll in the Meadow paper. Finally, I cut them out with my scissors. also fussy cut some flowers from the wildflower straw in the meadow paper. Now I used the May 2023 crochet texture metal die and cut it 4 times from the HipKit Club exclusive Essential Solids Lime cardstock, which is included in the May cardstock kit. Before I start with my layout, I apply a layer of modeling paste using one of the stencils which I included in the May color kit. I layer my photo with a die cut from the Wildflowers cardstock phrase and floral die cuts pack, which you can find in the May embellishment kit, and add some of the fussy cut flowers. Now I place 3 of the crochet texture die cuts on my page, and then I bag a sticker from the Wildflowers chipboard stickers pack, a film strip with vellum, and tuck it behind my photo. The chipboard stickers are included in the May embellishment kit. Now I arrange the stamped flowers around my photo. As you can see, I don't use the whole flower. I cut off some pieces and add them separately. I also add some of the fussy cut flowers. place another stamped flower on the third crochet texture die cut and add 2 butterflies and a word sticker from the Wildflowers dimensional layered stickers pack, which you can find in the May embellishment kit. I continue embellishing the layout with some of the Wildflowers wood veneer floral stickers, which are also included in the May embellishment kit. Now I pick out some of the Wildflowers puffy accent stickers, which are included in the May main kit, and 2 more chipboard stickers. I add my title, a die cut from the Wildflowers cardstock ephemera pack, which you can find in the May main kit, and some more puffy stickers. Now I pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails. Finally, I add some Nuvo drops from my stash, 2 more of the wood veneer floral stickers, some of the Wildflowers epoxy stickers, also included in the May embellishment kit, and 2 floral die cuts. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.